Alrighty, check this out. If you ever been on a scooter ride, see, as fun as those things can be, if you don't know how to navigate your way, that might be the difference between a fun ride and a miserable one. And that's why we have the Quadlock type thing. This is a bootleg version anyway, but I got it from Aliexpress and it came in a box like this, and I already went ahead and did the unboxing for you. And when you open it up, you get an Allen key, you get 3 gaskets, 3 different sizes. My handlebar is going to be 31.8, so one of them should fit, and a little instruction. And here, there you go. Here you have the bootleg Quadlock itself. Then you got this 3M phone mount thing, and this just goes over there. Let me just demonstrate it real quick, because sometimes they say, show me, not tell me. Get my old phone for navigation. And first thing you're gonna want to do is clean this up with isopropyl alcohol and a paper towel. All right, squirt some, clean the back of your phone, and now it's nice and dry. And then you're going to want to take the 3M thing, peel up the film, and it's one and done, by the way. Once you install this, it's never coming out any longer. So say bye to your Apple logo and welcome to 3M. Now I can't really tell how long I'm going to have to hold this. I believe overnight, or should I say a couple of hours. I'll test to see how long this take to cure. Yeah, let me just give it 2 hours and I'll be back to mount it. This is pretty simple. If I can do this, any fool out there can do it. All right, time to install the quad mount itself. And let me just try out this gasket to see which one actually fits my handlebar. Definitely not this tiny one. We got the last one. Oh, okay, and that goes over like so, and it just screws down like there. Sorry for the bad filming angle, but there's a screw there, okay? There's a screw there, believe me. Actually, let me help you with the angle. Now we got a better angle, don't we? And just screw it down in. It's going nowhere. And the little screw here at the top can also be undone for you to angle the mounting position the way you see fit. Undo that right there, and you can move it around. You want to mount this way, you want to mount that way. I believe with the ergonomics, this should be the best position right here. Sink it right back down, and pretty sturdy installation. And now, since we already got this installed, and I can't wait 2 hours, or should I? All right, let me just wait 2 hours, okay? Or overnight, and I'll be back. The thing is, I'm a little too excited to be waiting for the next 2 hours, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go for broke. Worst comes to worst, it's gonna fail, right? And I still have the second one for the second phone, so okay. Press on this little lever here on the side. It says push it down. And then you're gonna wanna angle your phone at a 45-degree angle, and boom. Worked. And you wanna take it off, same way. Just twist it out. Simple as that. And now we got navigation and navigation. Choosing Google Maps. And now you can just put on your address, start, and we can ride, fearing of getting lost any longer. And it's dirt cheap as well. I mean, I picked it up for 25 Polish zlotys. That's like $4. It's a throwaway money. And that's how it is. It works on scooters. So if it works on scooters, they also share the same handlebars as your bike. So it's definitely gonna work on bikes and motorbikes and all sorts of stuff like that. If you like what you've been watching so far, why don't you just hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and share this video among other scooter riders, and I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Bye.